Welcome to Spacecraft Guide, the channel that goes over the most iconic spacecraft in the world.
In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we have something special for you. This is the crawler that moves the spacecraft from the VAB to the launch pad. This is what I saw this summer at Space 2003 at Kennedy Space Center. You could see I have information points on here. And these information points, they actually, when you click on them, they tell you about what's going on with that point. So here we see the traction motor. Each of those motors, there's 4 of them. They have 375 horsepower, and that's on each truck. So when you click on the eyes, that's what you'll see. And if we go back here, you'll see that I have other things here like the engine control room, which I didn't know existed, but apparently around 30 people are needed to move the spacecraft on the crawler, and some of the people are in here and they monitor the engines, the generators, and the hydraulics. So this is what I'm going to start working on. I'll have the information buttons, and maybe we'll have some more components. Well, we will have some more components as I get more information. And if you are part of the Spacecraft Interactive Virtual Museum, I'll have a special for you that is only for the people who join, and they will see that right when they click on in this part.
That's all for this week. If you would like to use this interactive virtual reality exhibit on the command module, the lunar module, and the surface of the moon, just go to our Patreon page and the link will be down below.